Hello everyone, my name is Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning law firm and I am so happy to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about how to remove a trustee. But before we get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today or any questions about estate planning in general, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me, all for free. Again, that website is estateplanmeeting.com. You can go there, you'll see my schedule, pick the time that works best for you, and be more than happy to answer any questions that you have regarding estate planning. So today's topic is how do you remove a trustee? So this situation, or this is a question I get quite often when I'm talking to clients about creating a trust as a part of their estate plan. The way it normally works is that when you create a revocable trust, you are the initial trustee of that trust. And so while you're alive, you're the trustee. However, once you die, then a successor trustee steps into your shoes and becomes a trustee of that trust. So people often ask, well, how does that trustee get removed? Or can they be removed? Are they there for life? Or what's the process for that? So in order to remove a trustee, there's often language in the trust that allows for the removal of trustee. It can either be by the beneficiary if they have that power to remove the trustee, or if there is a trust protector in the trust, then they are allowed to move the trustee. And what a trust protector is an independent third party whose role is to help solve problems or solve issues that are within the trust. So one of those being is the removal of trustee. Another way you can remove a trustee is by a court order. What that means is that the beneficiary will have to go to court and they can remove and say that we need to remove this trustee for cause, because they're not following the terms of the trust. They may have been some self-dealing where they're using the assets of the trust for their own purpose. Whatever the case may be, if the beneficiary believes that the trustee is not acting in the best interest of the beneficiaries, and they can go to the court and the court can have an order that removes the trustee. Another way you can remove a trustee is by agreement by all parties, is that the trustee and the beneficiaries agree that the trustee should step down and be removed, so they resign. Also another way too, obviously, is if the trustee decides to resign from the role of trustee of the trust, so that's another way you can do it. So those are all different ways. One, by the terms of the trust. A trust protector could be used to solve disputes between a trustee and beneficiary, a court order, or the trustee could resign. And so that's the way that you remove a trust. But when you're creating a trust, it's also, you want to make sure that you have successor trustees. So that way, if the trustee does need to be removed, that there is someone there to take their place. Because if there is not, then what will happen is the court will decide who steps in and becomes the trustee of your trust. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to see this video, please share this with them. If you want to hear more from me about estate planning, you can subscribe to my channel. And as always, if you have a question or comment, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. And as always, if you want to talk to me more about estate planning, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me absolutely free. Again, that website is estateplanmeeting.com. Go there, see my schedule, pick the time that works best for you, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. Once again, my name is Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you soon.